So I 3D modeled and printed these so that you can stack them. And click like that. And then it clicks like that. And I'm currently printing like a bunch of them. There we go. That one was a bit. So that I could store all my sharpening stones. And you can easily see the label. Like so. See? You can see the labels, and you can easily pull out with these. This was the first version. I realized it needed a little bit more space, so I elongated the finger holes. And yeah, I could just stack them indefinitely, and that's what I'll be using to store my whetstones from now on, my sharpening stones.